Hi, I'm Srini from the ZHub team. In this video, I'll show you how you can run Meta's new Llama 2 model on your MacBook in just a few minutes. First, I'll start by cloning llama.cpp, a rewrite of Meta's model inference code in C++, and then I'll use make to build this code for our target platform. Next, I'll use the PyXet library to mount the entire model repo in just about 5 seconds. And just like that, we're ready to run this model. I'll use llama.cpp to run a 4-bit quantized ggml version of Llama 2 with the prompt, write a recipe for mayonnaise. Behind the scenes, PyXet is fetching and caching just the specific model file that we need instead of downloading the entire 660 gigabytes in the ZHub repo to our laptop. This will take a few minutes the first time to download this model, but afterwards, it'll be cached and new prompts will take a second or less to complete. Let's skip ahead a little bit. This is the amazing recipe for mayo that the model has given us. We can see here that it took about 6 minutes to return the answer to our prompt. Let's try a new prompt this time. Why is the sky blue? You'll notice that this time it only took about 350 milliseconds to give us a response. To try this for yourself, click the link to my tutorial in the video description below. We've created a number of interesting data and model repos on zhub.com, and you can use mount the exact same way for all these repos. I really hope you give this a try, and thanks for watching.